Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Stripe payment in React Native Expo 54, the latest version. Click checkout. If I cancel this, it will show the error cancelled. I choose card. And pay. And success. Open terminal. npx expo start. Press I open simulator. I don't use this 16. Okay, 16. I'll use 17. Okay, and go app, tabs, index, remove all the code here, RNFE, save, refresh, that's this, and go Stripe, and create account and log in. Go dashboard. Go dashboard, and this place try test mode. And search for API keys. And search API keys, developers API keys, and it will show the API keys for your account. So this is the public key. Docs, Stripe docs, and go this your payment. No. I see. Is this accept payment? Accept this URL here about Stripe payment, and accept the payment, and here choose React Native, and go this setup Stripe. Okay, npm install Stripe Node.js. Okay, go npm install Stripe. Here choose npm, copy. It's a Stripe provider and have a public key here. Okay, Stripe provider and public key. So copy this code. And this part is get a key. Okay. And go the root layout and theme provider. We got this Stripe provider here, and import this from React Native, and got public key. And the env.local, two keys. The first key is go dashboard. The public key, copy this and paste here. We call it Expo public because this key is public. We need to use it public in the client. And the second key, the secret key, we call it the Stripe secret key. So this key is secret, only use it in the server. So copy this key and paste here and save, close, and restart the server. And press I, open simulator, and everything works fine. And next, follow the doc. As key and provider. And the next is an endpoint. It means this server.js runs on the server. So choose Node.js and copy it. And go app, create a folder API, create a file, Stripe server plus API.ts, and paste the code and save. Stripe dash server plus API.ts. Okay, it will give a using API requires the web output to be set to server in the project app.json. So go app.json. Okay, output here, web output change to server, and save, and close, and cut the server and restart, and this time it will show the server is running. The web is waiting. So we have our server running. This is the backend. And for this code, and this is runs on Node.js. So we need to change it to the Expo API. So this code, so import Stripe from Stripe. And const Stripe, new equal Stripe, and here is the key process.env Stripe secret key. And remove this. It must be there. Okay. And next is a post request. Post payment sheet. We change the code from this node version to the Expo API version. Okay. And this is the code. This is the version Expo API. This is the code of version the node. If you use Node.js as your server, you need to use this code, app.post, to make a post server. And this is the API in Expo. So we change the code to this way in Expo API. And this is the code for Node.js. If you use Node.js as a server, you need to write the code this way. Save and close, and restart the server. Restart the project, and press I. And next is the UI part. So copy this code, and go index, Control A, paste all the code here. Let's see. import, added the import for this. Okay, and screen, we also call this, we call it safe area view. And the button, we now call this button. No, the button we change to this one. Title checkout, we remove this. We now give some styles here. Okay, and everything works fine. And here API URL. In API URL, we fetch our server locally, so we use fetch this one. API Stripe server, this, and save, and that is post. Here, pay attention here. And here, open payment sheet, see below. Why you not write the code here and let me see below? Okay, I see below, follow your doc, okay? And see below. And this code is here, open payment sheet, and here. Okay, I'll copy this code. And back, and paste. And alert from React Native, and save it. And refresh. Go. Nice. And use the test card. Photo. Okay. And pay. Nice. We got the success. So here are some warnings, and this warning is about the dependency warning. We can ignore this. And this warning, you should know that payment need to have a redirect, because some payment method must have the deep link or some redirect to go another app, like a bank app, to pay, and the bank app redirect to the Expo app. So we need to set the redirect URL. Okay, here in the initial payment, return URL here. Go here. Redirect your app. So where is this? Where to find this? Go app.json. And here, scheme. Paste it here, save. And refresh, the warning is gone. Now only this warning. This warning is a dependency warning. I think we can ignore. And check. If we cancel this, it will show the error code canceled. And card. And success. So it use alert to get this here. Await this. And if you have error, we show this error and error message. If no error is success, we show this success. Payment sheets. And the code here is all in the doc. You just follow the doc, but you need to change the Node.js code into Expo API version of the code, into Expo code and Expo API code.